So, a few months ago, I replaced the radiator in this car with a $70 radiator from Amazon, and I told you that I would get you a review within the next month. Well, I didn't. It's been several months, and no issues. So, my review in summary is, yeah, seems fine. If you need a radiator, go ahead and grab it. The difference between this radiator and the what I think was the stock radiator that I had in this car is the stock radiator was made out of aluminum. This has aluminum and some plastic. So of course the plastic is going to become more brittle quicker. But if you're talking several $100 difference between the OEM Volvo radiator and an aftermarket one to solve a problem in the short term, I have no problem recommending it. The temperature issues that I'm experiencing, I believe, are not related to the radiator, as everything appears to be flowing just fine. Still working out those issues, but the connections to the radiator, no leaks, holding coolant just fine. Everything seems to be in great working order. So yeah, if you need one, go ahead and pick one up. Let's take a look under the hood. And here it is. Connections there, connections all the way down. Both transmission fluid connections here and down there. This coolant spray is from what I spilled earlier. So you can see plastic portions of it right here. Aluminum on top. Upper radiator hose was replaced with the radiator when I swapped everything out. Could do with a new hose clamp there. So we can get down a little ways. No, not much. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Works just fine. So yeah, I think that radiator works just fine for my needs and possibly for yours if you need a short-term fix. I would think OEM is of course the best way to go in the long run. I don't think this aftermarket radiator would outlast that, but if you're looking to spend $70 instead of $350 or $400, whatever Volvo would charge you, or if you can find one at a scrapyard that works just fine, you can probably pay a small fee to have it cleaned out professionally. You've got options. But anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.